There is no secret that watercolor painting is hard to learn, but actually it's possible. In watercolor painting, a lot depends on pigment specificity, quality. For example, I have been telling about naturally granulating pigments like cobalt in my previous video. Before we start to work with watercolor, we need carefully analyze paints we have. First, we can create all colors from 3 basic paints. There are yellow, red and blue. But it would be very simple, and as you know, watercolor is tricky. Watercolor paints can be transparent or opaque. Transparent pigments we need for layering or glazing technique. There is a method when an artist creates a new color by layering 2 or more different colors. The fresco is the most ancient example of using glazing. In addition, you must avoid mixing more than 3 pigments. Be careful, some paints consist of 2 or more pigments. The basic colors give us the rest of colors. Yellow plus red gives orange. Red plus blue gives lilac or violet. Blue plus yellow gives greenish color. If we add to this mix of 2 colors the third, we create grayish one. If we create orange from yellow and red and then add blue, we really neutralize orange and get something gray. If we put on white paper yellow and then blue one, we get greenish color. And if after that we add red, we create gray. Well, how to create black? We can get black by mixing secondary colors, like red and green. But not every red and green. Carmine plus emerald green creates beautiful black. On the other hand, carmine plus green paint creates warm brownish black. Actually, many of artists prefer to work only with transparent watercolor paints. Transparent paints give smoothness and the best for glazing, and you can decide to throw opaque ones away, and this would be so sad. Transparent watercolor paints are the best choice for smooth materials and shadows. But on the other hand, light areas need more texture and grain that you may easily create by using opaque paints. Also, you can mix transparent and opaque paints and use opaque pigments even in layering, but in that case, put opaque paints the last. There are other videos about watercolor painting and photography on my channel. Bye bye, see you next time!